Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí, ẹ sì káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ ti òní. Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. Our topic for today is an interesting topic. It's something special, it's different from what we've been doing before. Our topic is eré ìdárayá ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. We'll be looking at games in Yoruba land, the types of games we play when we are stressed out and we want to relieve stress. What are the types of games that we play? Yoruba ní àsìkò fún eré. Yorubas, they have time for their play, that is games. Ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ ni àwọn Yorùbá máa ń ṣe eré tiwọn, that is in the evening when they are done with the day's activities. That is when you see them playing games. Tọkùnrin tóbìnrin ló ní eré ìdárayá tiẹ̀. We have one for males and we have one for females. Both the children and the adults are involved in this type of game. A lè pín eré ìdárayá sí ọ̀nà méjì. A ní eré ojoojúmọ́, the everyday games, and a ní eré òṣùpá, the moonlight games. The everyday games can be indoor games and as well outdoor games. Eré ojoojúmọ́, the everyday games, ìwọ̀nyí ni àwọn eré tí ọmọdé tàgbà ń ṣe ní ọwọ́ ọ̀sán sí ìrọ̀lẹ́. Wọ́n lè jẹ́ eré abẹ́lé, that is it could be indoor games bíi ayò títa, bókobóko, moníní tàbí eré ìta gbangba. It could be outdoor games like eré òkòtó, ìjàkadì, that is wrestling. It's also a game. All these games, they are there for relaxation and for enjoyment. As you can see the image on your screen, that's wrestling, eke, jija. You can see it's just a game, not that they are fighting. Another image you can see is ayo tita, where they are playing ayo. Eré òṣùpá, ìwọ̀nyí ni àwọn eré tí àwọn ọmọdé máa ń ṣe tílẹ̀ bá ti ṣú. These are games that children play when it's in the evening, moonlight games. Bí bójúbójú, hide and seek, ekumi ẹran, ẹyẹ mẹ́ta tòlòǹgò wáyé. Then àlọ́ àpamọ̀ àti àlọ́ àpagbè, that is moonlight tales. These are stories that teaches morals. Now we have different types of games in modern times, bí soccer, bọ́ọ̀lù àfẹsẹ̀gbá, soccer, bọ́ọ̀lù àfọwọ́gbá, handball or basketball, bọ́ọ̀lù ẹlẹ́yin orí tábìlì, that is table tennis, ẹsẹ̀ kíkàn, eré sísá, sprinting, eke jíjà, ayò ọlọ́pọ́n òyìnbó, draft, ludo àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Inú àṣà òyìnbó ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn eré ìdárayá yìí ti wá. That is, it's the civilization that brought all these games. Let's look at the importance of game. Àǹfààní eré ìdárayá. Ṣíṣe eré fún ìmárale. Games you play that makes you stronger. Ṣíṣe eré fún ìnájú lẹ́yìn iṣẹ́ òòjọ́. Games you use in relieving stress. Sísowọ́pọ̀ láti ṣe àṣeyege nínú ìdíje. It could be a competition. Fífa ọgbọ́n yọ nínú àlọ́. Stories that teaches morals, kíkọ́ nípa àwọn nǹkan ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé. And some of these games teaches us about our cultural heritage. So they have their own importance. Let's look at the evaluation. Dárúkọ àwọn eré ìdárayá òṣùpá méjì. Mention 2 moonlight games. Àwọn wo ni eré ìdárayá wà fún? Who are those people that games are for? Ọ̀nà mélòó ni a lè pín eré ìdárayá sí? Dárúkọ wọn. How many ways can we divide games? Mention them. Àsìkò wo ni àwọn Yorùbá máa ń ṣeré ìdárayá? When do the Yorùbás play games? Sọ oríṣiríṣi eré ìdárayá òde òní méjì. Mention 2 types of modern games that you know. I hope you understand. Please kindly write this in your notes, snap and send it. Is that taking correct? Good. If you have any question, do not forget to chat me up. I'll definitely be there to respond anytime, any day. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Ó dàbọ̀.